Students, see here on a whiteboard measurement of a temperature. How to measure the temperature of the any body? Here we know about the four type scale to measure the temperature of the body. First scale is a Celsius. It is also known as a centigrade. It is represented degree of a C. We remember it is discovered by Andreas Celsius, and range of this scale is 0 degree to 100 degree centigrade. The scale divided 100 equal part, and each part represents the 1 degree. Similarly, Fahrenheit scale, it is discovered by Gabriel Fahrenheit. The range of the scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 Fahrenheit. The scale divided 180 equal part. It means the range between 32 to 212 have a 100 equal part, 180 equal part. Means one part represents the 1 Fahrenheit. Now again there is Reaumur scale. Reaumur generally is used to the measurement the atmospheric temperature. Where use Reaumur scale? Generally used in the measure the atmospheric temperature. It is discovered by R.A. Reaumur. The range is Reaumur is 0 degree to 80 degree Reaumur. It means its scale divided by 80 equal parts, and one parts represent the 1 Reaumur. Similarly, Kelvin scale. It is also known as a temperature SI unit of is a Kelvin. Discovered by Lord Kelvin. Range 273 to 373. It means between the 273 and 373 have 100 equal parts. Means one part represents the 1 degree Kelvin. We remember this relation of centigrade, Fahrenheit, Kelvin and Reaumur. It is a very important formula. Centigrade upon 100, Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180, Kelvin minus 273 upon 100, Reaumur upon 80. If you multiply whole equation is 20, then you will get this equation. Centigrade upon 5, Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9, Kelvin minus 273 upon 5 and Reaumur upon 4. Now how to question come in the exam? Is convert the following temperature. Suppose we convert the temperature is a healthy human temperature. In centigrade scale is 37 degree centigrade. It is converted in Fahrenheit and Kelvin. First of all, I am convert the Fahrenheit. If we convert the centigrade to the Fahrenheit, it means you will take centigrade and Fahrenheit relation, this relation, or either this relation. Then C upon 5, F minus 32 upon 9. The value is given is 37 in degree centigrade. Then you put the 37 in degree centigrade and cross multiply. We get 333 multiplied 37 to 9, and this 5 minus 5 Fahrenheit and 160. After you transposing, we get F equal to 493 upon 5. After dividing the 5, finally you will get 98.6 Fahrenheit. Means the healthy human being temperature in centigrade is 37 degree centigrade, but in Fahrenheit is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Generally, doctor use this scale, Fahrenheit scale, so they can measure the your fever in the Fahrenheit scale. If the fever is, if the reading is thermometer is 99, 100, 102 degree Fahrenheit, it means you will ill and a very high fever. Now again the question is B is Kelvin. If you convert the Kelvin, you will take centigrade and Kelvin relation. or centigrade or Kelvin relation. Here I am taking centigrade Kelvin relation. See both the bull equation below 5. So 5 is cancelled out. It means new equation will be generated. C is equal to K minus 273. Here you will put 37 is at the C. You will get transposing K is equal to 37 plus 273. Finally you will got K is equal to 310. It means the healthy human person temperature is in the centigrade scale is 37, Fahrenheit scale is 98.6 Fahrenheit, as well as Kelvin scale is 310 Kelvin.